Racing just started. We have Frozen Margarita. Break quickly at the start. Barkadahan is down on the inside. Got in the egg. Blue Shake. Biodata. Then next on line is Manila's Gem. While Sharp Eye is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Frozen Margarita by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Barkadahan, caught in the act, is racing in third, then followed by a Blue Shake Biodata. Manila's Gem, while Sharp Eye is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled with Frozen Margarita by about half length, and on the outside second is Barkadahan, caught in the act. Biodata now moving up to take fourth. Blue Shake comes next. Manila's Gem, while Sharp Eye is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Frozen Margarita by our length and a half. Barkadahan still in second. Corindiac Biodata is down in fourth. Blue Shake, Manila's Gem, and Sharp Eye. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Frozen Margarita by about 2 lengths. And in second is Barkadahan. Moving up now on the outside is Biodata. We have Frozen Margarita. Biodata moving up on the outside. Frozen Margarita. Biodata. And finally, it's a close finish. Biodata, Frozen Margarita, Barkadahan, Blue Shake, and Corindiac.
Ano? Hindi, medyo una yung caught in the act.